Okay, this is about your flow control. We are saying that, dear sender, please wait until I am sending any acknowledgement and I am processing my data at my end. Otherwise, you cannot send any information to me. That is nothing but your controlling of your flow control mechanism in your data link layer. How we are going to do, we are going to see in the next slides. Why we need this particular flow control? The first reason is data must not be overwhelmed at receiver end. That means bottlenecking. That means if you are sending more data, there may be a chance of having the receiver capable of having less data, less amount of data and at the receiver end. It can happen with your channel may be busy and it will be problematic for the next transmission. That's the reason we are following flow control. Limited speed and limited memory at receiver end. Limited speed and limited memory at receiver end. This is the second reason. Okay, what is limited speed? That means a sender can send 10 Mbps data, but receiver have 2 Mbps speed limit, and it can capable of having the buffer area, buffer, that is buffer space is 2 MB, 3 MB or 5 MB, not more than 5 MB. Okay, these limits must be informed whenever it reaches the threshold. That means if my receiver end I have only 5 MB of buffering space, in that case I have to tell that particular, whenever he is sending to 1 MB 1 MB data frames to me, okay, after 4 or 5 MB 5 data frames, my buffer would be full. Okay, I am capable to say that my buffer is full, so I cannot receive your data. Please wait for some time. Temporarily, you slow down your data sending, or you have to stop sometime temporarily to send the frames from the sender side. Okay, I'm capable. My data link layer must capable of sending that. I have reached the threshold point. Please send slow down your sending capacity, or you are stop temporarily for some time, so that I can accept the data and I can process the data. Incoming data must be checked before it can be used. Okay, the fourth point is, first of all, I am taking the data to 1 MB 1 MB data, I am taking, I am filling in the buffer, but before I am using that particular data, I have to check whether it is the proper data or not. Is there any hacking thing happens? Is there any errors are there in that particular data frame or not? I have to check before. Without checking, I cannot utilize that data in my data link layer. I cannot move forward to the network layer. Rate of incoming must be slower than rate of transmission. Whenever the transmission capability of your link or your sender may be more than incoming, rate of incoming, that means whenever you are taking the data, that is slower than whatever the data is transmission. That is a maybe your cable and your thing is very fast, your link is very fast, but you are at the receiver end, that rate of incoming must be slower, that must be slower, otherwise it would be happening filling of your buffer. It is going out of the threshold point of your uh, memory, and it is going to give you issues for your receiver end. Okay, now sixth point, what is the why we need flow control? For these, receiver must have block of memory. For all these things, it must have some block of memory called as buffer. Otherwise, what will happen? Every time if you are sending from sender to receiver, one MB of data he is sending every time. In meanwhile, the sender has capable of 10 MB of data, 10 frames data at a time, but the receiver has to do all this. First it has to take the data and it has to check the data, and after that, if the data is correct, then only it has to move to next layer, that is network layer. Meanwhile, it has to complete all this work. That's the reason you need to have some data, but the sender would not have any issues. It will directly sends the 10 MB of data every time. It is capable of sending 10 Mbps. Okay, 10 MB, 10 frames at per time, at a time it can send 10 frames. But the receiver has to take one frame and it has to check, and it has to, whether it is correct, then only it has to forward to the network layer. Give me a minute. Hello. Yeah, tell me. Okay, class is going on, na? Okay, okay. There was something technical issue, I think. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Sorry for all.